Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS 14 today. Yes, today. No having to wait up to July, and no, it's not $100 to become a developer. All you have to do is watch this video. Okay guys, so I just want to do some little disclaimers before we start the video and some announcements. So first of all, I am very sorry if I haven't been posting. It's been very busy for me. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So if you want to get iOS 14, not having to wait until July for the public beta, or even for the public not beta, like the actual OS, you would have to wait until July for the beta. But if you are a developer, you can get it today. But you do need to pay the $100, which I'm not willing to pay. I would simply wait. But I found this little website that gives us the download, so I'm going to show you how to. But before we continue, I want to let you guys know that I am not responsible if your iPhone breaks down. If you don't, you might, one other thing, go ahead and go into iCloud and do a backup. Just go ahead and do that. Go into iCloud and go into iCloud backups, or just back up to iTunes or Finder, because as you can see, I did backup yesterday, so all my data is up to date, which means I'm not going to lose any data. I am willing to do this, but if you don't want to take the risk, simply wait up to the public beta or up to the normal release. The thing is that because this download link is not from Apple, because the one from Apple comes out up to July, you're not guaranteed is the safest thing to do. Your iPhone might break down, but if you are willing to do this, this is the video for you. Okay guys, so when I was editing the video, I realized that my camera, my iPhone's display looked a little bit like that. So to solve that problem, now I'm gonna pay more attention to the focus, and there we go. Now I think you can see a lot better. So let me focus once again. Oh, right there. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description, so go ahead and go into Safari, into the link that I just told you to go. And then this website, you can also use it. Please also use Safari browser, as you can see right there. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is this website will work for not only iOS 14. If you want to get iOS 14 beta, obviously, that's where you want to go. Click download, and then it's gonna ask allow. And then basically you can go now to settings right here. And basically it's gonna tell you a profile right there, and let me show you right here. Oh, not there, right here. So basically you're gonna have this, and instead of remove profile, up here you're gonna see install profile. Then you click right there, the terms and conditions, then accept, and then it's gonna ask you for your password if you have a password on your device. After that password, it should have installed, and after that you can go ahead and go into, first of all, please make a backup of your iPhone, because everything can go wrong, especially because this is a beta. So as you can see, I did do a backup about yesterday. So yeah, about yesterday, and so I have no worries. Plus, the reason why I'm trying to do this on this iPhone and not any other iPhone is this iPhone has loop disease. So if this iPhone breaks, I guess I don't really lose much, because this iPhone is already broken. So yeah, another thing I want to tell you, I already have iOS 13 in this phone, and I just want to tell you, it all depends on what iPhone you're using. But in my case, this iPhone 7, about 4 years old now. I bought it brand new, which has lip disease. Remember about that. Does have a lot of problems. So it is very slow. Not only slow, but not slow. Like it gets stuck. Like if I go into not YouTube, let's say Safari, and you can see first of all a problem repeatedly occurred. Okay, so yeah, and it would just get stuck and stop responding, and then yeah. So I do not recommend you to do this on your main phone. That's why I'm doing it on this phone. But yeah, so when you have your profile installed, you just have to go into software update. The software update page will appear, install, and you put your password if you have any password on your device, and yeah, that should be it. Powered up, and when it turns on, you should have iOS 14.0 beta 1. That's it. Okay guys, welcome back to the video, and it is being so much time, 6:43 p.m. and this iPhone 7 finally finished, and I'm so excited to check it out. Let's go ahead and install now. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Verifying update. Woof, I'm so ready. Also, this is not gonna be a review. This is just how to do this, and I will have a review later on when I have used this phone for more time. So yeah, now we just gotta wait for that to finish, and then we have iOS 14. I'm so excited. Okay guys, and I'm back. This iPhone is very hot. I don't know if it survived. When I touched the home button, it finished. It was kind of weird, but the point is it's finished. Let's click home. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.0. Okay, continue. Create password. That's cool animation, by the way. Let me just create the password. Okay guys, so now that the iPhone has boot up, we can go ahead and unlock it with my very secure password. And there we go. Widgets, that's the first widget I have added. We have this. It's super cool. Very snappy, and we have the app library. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, welcome to the new Siri. Yes, look at that new icon. And yeah, mine doesn't work because this iPhone has loop disease, but whatever. The new translate app, which won't work with mine, obviously won't work because it just crashed. It's not because of iOS, it's because as soon as this won't work. It's because this iPhone has loop disease. So yeah, if you connect wireless headphones, it might work, but whatever. That's the exact reason why I decided to use this iPhone. Let's go ahead and do more of these. Let's go ahead and do 4. And then I can show you guys how to hide the, also, there you have it, to add the, the widget. Yeah, that's what it was called. Sorry about that. Siri suggestions, you can choose a bigger one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, that has been the end of this video. Thank you for watching. As you can see, we have our iOS 14 running extremely cool with the widgets. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that little red button right there under the screen, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And obviously, don't forget to go ahead and go into my channel and look at all the videos I have up there. And if you see that you kind of like every single video, not every single video, maybe you just like most of the videos and you like the topic I talk about, go ahead and subscribe because I promise you will not be disappointed. And if you are, you can unsubscribe. And if you are disappointed by this video, go ahead and dislike. And please tell me why you disliked the video and how I can improve so that next time I make a video, you can have a better experience. Thanks for dropping by. See you later. Peace out.